Yeah, good morning, guys. I will be looking about some oats porridge. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna start soaking my oats now. Give me that boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this is like Grace brand, guys. This is a brand of Jamaica. Yeah. Give me that boom, boom, boom. I have it right here. Just gonna add a bit more to this. Give me that boom, boom, boom. Okay. Yes, guys. I'm gonna soak it now. I'm gonna pour some water on it. Leave it to soak for 2 minutes. Yeah. Give me that boom, boom, boom. Leave it here. I'm gonna have my cinnamon stick. Give me that boom, boom, boom. I'm just gonna add one. Give me that boom, boom, boom. Yes, guys, you have to soak your oats. Give me that boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna be adding my oats now. Okay, turn down the stove. Yes, guys, I had some more mixed oats to it because I don't want it to be too thin. I'm gonna add some Grace coconut milk. Some evaporated milk, guys. This porridge don't take long to cook, guys. Once when you soak your oats, your oats porridge don't take long to cook. I'm gonna add some vanilla, nutmeg and cinnamon. I'm gonna add some salt. Give it a bit more heat. Just this from here. Guys, it's getting thick. This is how it should look, guys, thick. Give me that. Turn it down. I want to make a mess on the top of the stove. Give me that boom boom boom. Now I'm gonna sweeten it now, guys. Yeah. Off my stove. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.